Hey, speaking of tips, I just purchased this. This is a caulk cap. And see, this goes right into your tube of your caulking when you get done. Then this little section won't dry up. If you're not using your caulk tube for a while, let's say, and then you want a small bead again and this is all dried up, and you have to poke something down there and back and forth and stuff. See, it goes way up inside of there. And I thought I would try that when I get done using my caulk gun. I'm still using it. I'll give you two here. I got this at the hardware store. It was like $3. Okay, this is a stiff plastic deal. And see, now I can take that and I can push that in there, and it not only goes to there, it goes all the way. Well, it goes down as far as I can push it, I guess. Okay, and now it's gone all the way beyond this point. This is where it usually has a tendency to dry. Okay, then you can pull that out. See there? I pushed it down that far. That's pretty slick. You gotta get one of these. You know, I keep forgetting to get one of these at the store, and I've had this little 2-pack for a few weeks now, maybe a few months, and I keep forgetting to use it. And if you have a caulk gun like this, see this here? You can take that out. So before you use this, if it has a little seal here, sometimes caulking doesn't have a seal, like this painted one here. You don't have a seal there, but sometimes you do have a seal. So then you just pull this thing out like that, and you take this and doink, 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 and you're cutting and puncturing the little metal seal, you know, the aluminum seal down in there. And that's kind of cool. I like this caulk gun mainly for this reason here, and it's supposed to be the no drip one, you know, this, and it actually has a cutter. See right there? There's a blade. There's a blade right in there. I don't generally use it to snip those off. When I do, it doesn't cut it off clean, so I do it a different way. But you know, in a pinch, if you need that, you've got it. There's a tip for you. That's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos